We waiting for our friend's COVID test.
She said it's ready.
No way she has it.
Do you think she does?
Look at her face.
I'm positive.
No
way!
Yeah, I'm positive.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Ja.
Sorry.
Motiv ordnet jeder Stelle eine Markierung so oder aber eine Anzahl von Namen.
I'm sorry for cheating. Cheating's not what I do. But I found out you cheated on me, so I cheated on you. Who's this?
Like poking hard.
He's so cool.
I'm so sorry.
No, my bad.
You think we should head down the hallway too, right, bud? I think we should head down the hallway. Your breath smells a bit like Miracle Grow. It's a little weird. Come here. Come here, Fleur. That'd be really weird if you were in this room doing this to plants. What do you have to say for yourself? Flurry?
Did you vote for Trump? I've never voted in my life. Then you don't have a say in this. Oh. Well, you guys.
Clear the way, please. Hold yourself. A lightsaber. Interesting. If there's one Jedi left, it's not you. Affirmative.
I reckon.
Reservation. Are you ready for your confirmation number?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, it's gonna be A as in apple,
Okay.
B as in Peter,
What?
B as in Peter.
You mean B as in boy?
No, I mean B as in Peter, not B as in boy. I said B, not B.
Huh?
I said B, not B.
Okay, whatever.
Then it's going to be the letter O as in the occupation of the Palestinian people.
What? Excuse me?
Okay, then it's gonna be the letter H.
What was that?
H, H,
As in Etch-a-Sketch?
H, H as in Harry. H.
Oh, H.
Yeah, H,
H.
H,
H.
H.
Fine.
Okay. Then finally gonna be the number 6.
What?
The number 6.
Sir, I cannot understand anything that you are telling me.
6. Well, 6. Or what you're saying I can't count? 6. We have completed your...
I can't believe that it's finally me and you and you and me, just us and your friend Steve. Do 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 do.
Pissed off, angry, makes me want to punch you in the face.
Would you like to join me in my efforts?
To punch you in the face?
You'd punch your master in the face.
Getting a good picture of everybody so we look nice and handsome and thin.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
What beam is this?
What happened, Mr. Drifter? That's far. What happened, sir?
Welcome back to Fox 2 News at 9 a.m. Time once again to get you caught up on your news headlines. For that, the Hamburglar.
Oh my god. Okay, that's actually pretty pretty. That's actually pretty pretty. Fucking yay. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck?
Yeah, go. I think it is. Hey, you gotta do the bottom.
Jelly. Having it.